Are you single or taken? I don't like to answer that, but since that's in the list, I will answer the question. Well, I'm What's up, my squad? I'm glad to be back with you guys with another video. So today's video is gonna be about a get to know me tag video. So thank you guys for checking my channel out, man. If you're new to my channel, man, like, make sure to subscribe. Let me introduce myself to you guys. My name is WensTV. I'm from Haiti. My birthday is July 5th. Cancer Nation. Hey, shout out to all my Cancers, man. You're the realest. And we're gonna get right into the question. So, first question: how many countries have you visited? I mean, I would say 3 countries because I'm from Haiti, so that's 1. And United States and Canada. So yeah, so 3 countries. And I'm planning on going to more countries soon. I'm planning on going to Bahamas, Mexico, France, Italy, and to a lot of more places, man, because that's what I like to do. I love to travel. That's one thing I like to do, man. I love to explore new places. So stay tuned for that. The second question is, do you speak any different languages and how well? I speak Haitian Creole. Como nous est tout haïtien moi yo, merci de ce qu'on a regardé vidéo ça. And I speak English, obviously. And I would say French, but not that fluently and stuff, because I used to speak good French when I was in Haiti, but ever since I moved to the United States, I started learning English and stuff. I forgot mostly all my French, so it was hard for me and stuff to keep up with it, because you know I was learning a new language and we don't really speak French at home, so we mostly speak Haitian Creole. So I mean, I can understand it, like, you know, I can make a conversation with somebody, you know, but I'm not gonna say that I speak French fluently and stuff. But you can say like I speak like 2.5 languages. But yeah, how would you describe your fashion sense? I mean, for me, it's pretty easy, man. Like, cause me, I'm not those type of person who will go crazy about, you know, Gucci, Versace, all those expensive brands and stuff. Like, when it comes to me, like, I feel like it's not about how much you spend on the clothes, it's about how good you make the clothes look. Because me, I'm really picky, man. Like, whenever I wear something, I always make sure that it makes me look good, or I make it look good, you feel me? Because I don't want to wear something like, and then whenever I wear it and then I'm not looking good with it. Like, what's the point? Like, that's why you buy the clothes for. Because I believe I'm confident in my style. I don't need brand name to feel secure about myself. Some people like be buying expensive clothes and they be looking like homeless. I'm not trying to discriminate the homeless, but you know, that was just an example. So please don't come at me with that. I'll just give you a point. Alright, so how tall are you? I'm 5'11", going to 6. Okay, I'm pretty tall, so yeah. Are you single or taken? I don't like to answer that, but since that's in the list, I will answer the question. Well, I'm single, but I got somebody that's gonna get mad whenever they see that video, you feel me? So, you know what that means. But what's your favorite color? My favorite color is red. Red is my favorite color, because every time I wear red, a lot of people be like, wow, like, that color really look good on you. I'll be like, wow, like, thank you. So ever since I've been getting those compliments, man, I'm like, you know what, from now on, red is my favorite color. So team red. If you like red, put some red heart in the comment section. And cat or dogs? I'm not an animal lover, but like, I would pick dogs because like I feel like they're protective and stuff. Like, let's say if somebody's coming to your house, they will bark at the person. Like, you know, if they don't recognize the person and stuff, they will bark at them, make you feel like there's somebody there. So that's why I like dogs, because you know, they really like, you know, protect you. So yeah. Are you in college? And yes, I'm in college. I'm in college for business. So yeah. I'm trying to be a businessman, man, because I started doing my own business. So if you guys want to support, I will put the link in in the description below. So just go buy my shirt. And what sport do you play, or have you played? I play basketball. I'm not good at it, but when it comes to soccer, you know, that's what they play in Haiti. They call it football, not soccer. You feel me? Because you know that soccer is universal. They play it everywhere, man. Like, let's say football, because I don't want to say the soccer, man. So soccer is my favorite sport because, you know, that's why we play in Haiti. You know, when I was growing up, we always playing soccer and stuff, like with my friends. We're having fun, man, because it's a really fun sport. So yeah. And I play basketball too, but I'm not really good at it. I'm not a baller. I'm more of a soccer player, man. What are some of your favorite YouTubers? I like Ken and Diera. I like Queen Naija. I like DDG and Kennedy. And I like WensTV. Shout out to WensTV, man. Always supporting me and stuff. So shout out to you. So that was it, guys. So thank you guys for watching my video, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Till next time.
Me salte porque